What's up you guys, my name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be replacing the rack and pinion on this 2013 Dodge Charger SE. Start by straightening the steering wheel and use a seat belt to hold the steering wheel in place. Engage the emergency parking brake. Loosen the 23mm wheel lug nuts on the passenger and driver side. Lift the front of the vehicle with a floor jack and secure it with jack stands. Remove the 14mm steering shaft pinch bolt. You'll need a swivel head or an adapter. It's a tight fit with a small amount of space. Bro, I'm about to edit this video like everything was hella easy. And don't get me wrong, this was simple, but it was annoying removing it. Constant turn. Then my neck started hurting. Okay, that's out. Use an adjustable wrench or a 15/16 or a 24mm wrench to loosen the jam nut on the tie rod end. Use a 21mm socket to loosen the tie rod and nut. Hammer the knuckle to separate the tie rod end. You may need to use a tie rod end separator tool if they're stuck. Use an 18mm wrench to disconnect the power steering lines. Damn, can't use the impact. Unbolt the two 15mm mounting bolts that secure the rack and pinion into the subframe. Use an 18mm wrench to hold the nut from the back to keep the bolt from rotating. Carefully remove the rack and pinion out of its location. Before installing the new rack and pinion, adjust this to the same position as the old one so it can be aligned and slide into place smooth.
I should have done this before removing the rack and pinion. Count the number of turns when removing the tie rod end, and turn the same amount of turns when installing the new ones or old ones on the new rack and pinion, so the alignment can be as close as possible. Remove the retainers from the passenger wheel fender liner. You'll find the power steering reservoir. Refill with CF11S hydraulic fluid or something compatible. Once everything is secured in place, carefully lower the vehicle off the jack stands, and you're done.